Welcome to Little Genius Art. In this video, you are going to learn some interesting facts of parrot and you are going to learn how to draw colorful parrot. By following the outline, draw a curve. At the tip, I am drawing the downward curve for the peak. One more curve, drawing downward direction which joins the peak. Then draw a small curve which gives the face and then moving on to the details of the peak. Another one nicely bended C-shaped curve. Just following the outline, I am drawing a nicely bended long curve which gives the feathers of the parrot. On the other side, take this point as a reference point. Draw one huge curve which joins the feathers. Then extend one more line and one curved line. Draw curved lines inside the gap. Extending one straight line downward direction. Then give a small lines which turns upwards. Now joining these two lines. Next moving on to the legs of the parrot, giving a two V-shaped curves which is converging towards the bottom. Then give some zigzag curves. Then draw one vertical and horizontal line. And do you know, parrot can pick their food with their feet and they can also pick small objects with their feet. I'm giving shades to the feet. Then at the tip, darken the point which gives the nails of the feet. Coming to the feathers, draw a tick mark again and again as shown in the video. Draw tick mark like this. Now moving on to the eyes of the parrot, draw one big circle and inside the circle draw a line and above the line draw two circles and giving the shades to the eyes. Now put a dot at the peak. Moving on to the next step, fill the gap with the straight lines. Now our parrot outline is ready. It's time for coloring. Give different shades of color to our parrot. Let's move on to the interesting facts of parrot. There are 372 different species of parrot. Parrots belong to the most intelligent bird species. Kakapo is the world's largest parrot. It cannot fly. Human using hands, like that parrot using their feet to pick their food to their beak. Some African grey parrots can speak over 700 words. Kia is the only alpine parrot in the world which lives in cold environment. If you like the video, then click like button, share the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.